If you want to view your message inbox on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your messages so you can open your inbox in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you're new to the platform, switch devices, or simply can't find the messages section. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your X account on either desktop or mobile. Once you're on the main screen, look at the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This is where X keeps the main shortcuts for your account, including your home feed, notifications, and messages. Now find the chat icon in that left-hand menu. It usually looks like a speech bubble or message symbol. Click on the chat icon to open your inbox. As soon as you do, your message inbox will appear, and you'll be able to see your direct messages, message requests, and any recent conversations. From here, you can tap or click on any conversation to read messages, reply to someone, or start a new chat if needed. If you don't see the icon right away, take a moment to scan the left menu carefully because it may be tucked between other navigation options. On smaller screens or depending on the layout, you may need to expand the menu first before the messages icon becomes visible. Once you're inside your inbox, you can use it just like any other messaging app. You can open a thread, send a reply, attach media, or check for new requests. That's really all there is to it. To view your message inbox on X, just look at the left navigation menu and click the chat icon. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.